Mike here again. We've always enjoyed a decent coffee here, and over the years we've had everything from mocha pots to drip machines to you name it, we've had it. In fact, we haven't actually bought instant coffee for, I would think, 15 years or more. But today, finally, our last drip machine gave up the ghost, and I decided it was time to buy something decent. So here goes. I'm going to let you have a look at our Delonghi pump machine that we've just bought. This is a Delonghi EC685 Dedica machine. It's a pump machine that gives out pressure at 15 bar, and this is the most superb coffee machine I've ever had. It really does provide lovely coffee. I'm going to show you how to make first of all, how to make an Americano, which is what I prefer, which is it's an espresso with extra water. So here goes. I'll show you how to use this. The machine comes with two inserts. This is a single cup insert, and inside we also have a double cup insert. This is the one I normally use. It also comes with a scoop, which gives the exact quantity for one shot. So place two scoops of coffee into the container, and then this needs to be pressed down and it's inserted into there. The machine is switched on. When you switch it on, this goes through a cycle with 3 lights, and once these stop flashing, you know that the water is heated up inside and it's ready to go. It also comes with a removable tray for making a larger cup, and as I'm making an Americano, I need to remove this. As you can see, there's a secondary place for the cup to stand on. Now that the lights are steady, I can place the cup underneath the hot water spout, and we can put the amount of hot water in that we need. This comes through at a very high temperature. I like to have my cup about half full of water, and then we place it underneath the spout and press the double shot. This infuses the coffee at a high pressure, and as you can see, it produces a lovely crema at the top of the coffee. Absolutely my perfect Americano. I can't recommend this machine highly enough. It really does make superb coffee. There are lots of other videos that you can look at where people use weighing scales to get the exact amount of coffee and the exact amount of water. Nothing wrong with that. I'm certainly not knocking them. I'm sure they make better coffee than I do. But for the average person, I suspect that most people don't want to go through that performance every morning. They just want to make themselves a nice cup of coffee. And I've found that the standard settings on the machine really do perform well and give me a lovely cup of coffee. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, a thumbs up would be appreciated, and if you click the subscribe button and the bell icon, you'll get updates for when my future videos come out. Well, that's all for now, and thank you and goodbye.